Going on the road, going on the road, going on the road with Harley and Mona. RV broke.
Hi everybody, I'm back. Meals with Mona, RV Meals with Mona this time. So I'm gonna try the pressure cooker in the motorhome and see if how many times we can blow a fuse. So I'm gonna start this. I'm gonna cook up the hamburger. I'm making spaghetti. So as we go and as it heats up, I will keep you informed. All right, so the meat's starting to brown. And I was hoping that I would be able to use this pressure cooker in the motorhome while we're traveling. So this is a good test for it since we're stuck at a Cummins dealer waiting for the motorhome to get fixed while we've been broke down in Spokane for 3 days now. All right, the meat's getting brown, so I'm gonna throw in the vegetables. So I have green peppers, red peppers, and onion. And the meat will finish cooking when it's under pressure too. So there's that. Just let this cook up a little bit. And put in some fresh garlic. I just got this microplane. It is the best for garlic. It just makes it so nice and fine. And just scoop it in there. Others, and since Harley and I aren't really tasting yet, I add a lot of flavors so that we can at least get a little bit of something on our tongue. I smell a little bit. We're not smelling a lot yet. I smelled some coffee this morning. Really smelled his frozen dinner. So we're getting there. And then I'm going to put some parsley in. Some basil. Some oregano. And a little bit of salt and pepper. And I'm going to let this cook up a little bit because I want to take some out for a different meal too. So we'll be right back. All right, this looks good. All right, so I took some of the mixture out for another meal. And then I'm going to put, this is about a half a package of spaghetti. Regular spaghetti. And then you don't mix this at all. I'm gonna put a cup of water. Pour a cup of water. Over this, and pour the tomato sauce on top. And you don't stir that in either. I found like what happens is that if the tomato sauce goes to the bottom, then it doesn't recognize the tomato sauce as water when you're pressure cooking it. And so it says that it's burning, and it probably is burning. And now I'm looking for the lid. Okay, turn this stop. Put that on stop. Put my lid on. Ooh. Okay, so then we need to put pressure high for 15 minutes and then hit start, and we'll see if we blow any fuses. Catch you later. All right, so this has been cooking for 15 minutes, and I have a feeling that's a little too long, and I'm just gonna do a fast release on the pressure. Come on. And then always make sure that when you open this, you open it away from you so you don't get like a... Oh. And I used sausage and hamburger. Oh, just looks so good. I wish I could tell you that it smelled good too, but I'm sure it does. And I feel like the noodles are a little bit overdone, so I probably would have done it for 10 minutes because of the time it takes to build up the pressure is also a cooking time. So anywho, I did not blow any what, fuses, dear? I did not blow any fuses, right? Or breakers or whatever. Oh, okay. All right, so maybe I'll start doing more motorhome meals with Mona. Until next time, bye.
Going on the road, going on the road, going on the road with Harley and Mona. RV broke.